So look at these cells. Wow, wow, wow. They're so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay. Show you kind of where we blew out a little bit. Look at that, where the cells turn into that wispiness. So pretty. Look at those orange cells with the green lines around them. Wow, those are pretty. Look at those cells right there. Wow. I'm about to stick my hand in the paint. I better watch it. I'm trying to get so close so y'all can see those gorgeous cells. Oh. I think this is probably my favorite method at the moment. There's where we blew out a little bit along the edges. Okay, well, let's just bring you back to where all those pretty cells are. That is unbelievable. Sometimes you get lucky. Look at that webbing. Okay. Alright guys, there's your pretty for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I had a lot of fun with this one. It just turned out gorgeous. And honestly, I don't know if I put something else in that white or not. I know it had the white flow acrylic from Artist Loft. It also had the titanium white from Artist Loft. And it had floetrol in it. It has distilled water in it. I don't think I put any pouring medium in there. I'm pretty sure I didn't. So, I don't know. We just got lucky. Just got really, really lucky with this one. It's gorgeous. It's going to be hard to say goodbye to this one. So, but, as you guys know, I'm trying to pay for my house. So, you know, if you're interested in the paintings and you would like to purchase them, they're all for sale. So, if you would like to donate to my channel, my PayPal link is below. And thank you to those of you who have donated to my channel. You guys, like I've said before, you are the ones that have made this possible right here, this kind of painting. Because without your support, whether it's through your comments and questions, your emails, your financial, you know, little donations to my channel, they're all, you know, they're all helping me to continue with my channel, and I just can't tell you guys how much I appreciate that. I love you all, and thank you for supporting my channel, donating to my channel, checking out my website. Thanks for all the questions and comments. I love them all. It's fun to hear your questions and comments and your suggestions. So there's your pretty for today. Yeah, wherever you're on the planet, I hope you're having an awesome afternoon, day, evening, or night. See you later. Bye.